Greetings to all. I'm going to handle the subject business research methods in that measurement and scaling. Measurement and scaling plays a very important role, which is essential concepts in the research methodology, especially in the social sciences, marketing, and behavioral studies, as they determine how variables are quantified and compared. So measurement and also scaling goes each complement to each other. Measurement is the process of assigning numbers or symbols to characteristics of objects, people, or events according to specific rules. So it is assigning numbers or symbols. Key concepts are object, the entity being measured, that is, example, a person, product, or service. Attribute, the feature of or quality of the object, example, satisfaction, income, or age. Measurement process, defining the concept, and then next step is the selecting the indicators. Next one is the assigning the value. So this is how the process of measurement has to be done. Next one, we will see the types of measurement. That is number one, nominal scale, which categorizes data without any order. For example, gender means male is been denoted by the number one, female means it has been denoted by the number two. Ordinal scale, so which ranks data in order, but intervals between ranks are not equal. Example, education level, which is primary or secondary or graduate. So it is less than or greater than symbol it has been represented by. And if you see the interval scale, it ranks data with equal intervals but has no true zero. So example, temperature in Celsius, difference between 20 degree and 30 degree is equal to 30 degree and so on. Next one is the ratio scale. With the ratio scale has equal intervals and a true 0 point. Example, income, weight, height, and so on is being represented in the ratio scale. So what different types of measurement is nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio scale. Next one is scaling. So scaling is nothing but refers to creating a continuum on which measured objects are placed according to their magnitude or intensity of a particular attribute. That is, we will have a scale. In that scale, we will have a 3 point scale or 4 point scale or 5 point Likert 5 point scale and so on. So it is a continuum in which you will have the different scales. Types of scales. So comparative scale. So respondents compare one object with another. Examples, paired comparison scale. That is, it is comparing between two items, whether which item is good or which item is bad. So by comparing each other, we will have an idea about whether this particular product or this particular place is being compared. Say, for example, you want to go for a trip. You have a plan for a trip. You can choose between two places, whether this is good or this is bad, how steep it is, and depending upon the situation, climate, and so many factors you can take into consideration and you can plan. Next one is rank order scale. Rank means we will have 5 to 6 items. Based on that, we can give the rank, which place first rank, second rank, third rank, and so on. So accordingly, which has been given majority, we will take the rank order items by preference. Next one is a constant sum scale. So allocate the points. Example, 100 points among the items. We should have the sum. From based on the sum, we can give the points for the particular scale and so on. Next one, non-comparative scales. It is nothing but we does not have any comparison, but it will be placed on the continuum. Examples, object is rated independently. That is for one variable or one factor, which it whether you agree or disagree with this particular thing, or whether it is good or bad, or you can give the rating like -2 plus 4 plus 5 and so on. So best example and which has been more usage is the Likert scale. So it is called as agreement level. We will have a continuum. Earlier we saw that continuum. That is, from that we will have the strongly agree to strongly disagree. Strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. Likewise, 5 point scale um, will be there in the continuum. So accordingly we will be having the pattern. Next one is semantic differential scale. It is nothing but opposite to the adjectives. whether we have good or bad, happy or sad, and so on. So that is nothing but semantic. Semantic means based on the some incidents, whether it is good, whether you feel that particular incident is good or bad, whether you feel that this is happy or sad, and so on. Next one is a staple scale. It is a numerics range from ratings from the -5 to +5. So you will be having the ratings from the -5 and so on, -4 and so on to the +5. So likewise, we will have the staple scale. So this is comparative and non-comparative scales. Importance of research. It ensures objectivity and accuracy of the data. So it is very objective and it will be accurate, enabling statistical analysis and hypothesis testing. This research is very important for that. Facilitates comparison between individuals or groups, converts abstract concepts like attitude or satisfaction into measurable variables. Thank you.